In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Behance link to your LinkedIn profile. This is a fantastic way to showcase your creative work and seamlessly integrate your professional and creative profiles. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Behance website. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in www.behance.net. Now, once you're on the site, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, just click on the login button and enter your credentials. The next step is to navigate to your profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture or your username, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. This will take you directly to your profile page where all your projects are beautifully displayed. Now, with your Behance profile open, take a look at the top of your browser window. You'll see the URL for your profile. Click on that URL to highlight it entirely, then right-click and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to quickly get the link copied to your clipboard. Excellent, you've got your Behance link ready to go. Next, let's move over to LinkedIn. Open a new tab or window in your browser and enter linkedin.com to head to the LinkedIn homepage. Once you're there, ensure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look for the Me icon, which is typically a small picture of yourself. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you'll want to click on View Profile to access your LinkedIn profile page. On your profile page, you'll notice a pencil icon. This is crucial, so go ahead and click on it. It allows you to edit various sections of your LinkedIn profile. Once you've clicked it, you'll see different sections you can adjust, but we're focusing on your contact info. Look for the section that says Edit Contact Info and click on that link. You'll be presented with options to adjust your information. Now you're in the contact info editing section. Look for the Add Website link and click on it. This is where you'll paste the Behance URL you copied earlier. Simply click into the field meant for your website link, then right-click to select Paste, or use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to insert your Behance profile link. Lastly, don't forget to save your changes. Once you've pasted the link, find the Save button, usually found towards the bottom of this editing window, and click it to save all your updates. And there you have it, your Behance profile link is now successfully added to your LinkedIn profile. This will allow potential employers and collaborators to easily access your creative portfolio right from your LinkedIn page. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one.